Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we are going to continue our training on how to use the pixelLab and the tools in the pixelLab and their functions in making design. In our training tonight, we are going to focus on turning a two-dimensional logo or object into three-dimensional logo or object. This is what we did yesterday, and this logo is in two-dimensional. So we are turning it to three-dimensional tonight. Now you open your pixelLab application by clicking on it. Then you delete the default text by clicking on the delete button. Now this is our working area, the empty. You then locate on this button. You click on it and you click on shape. To pick a circle by clicking on this button, and you pick a circle as usual. You increase to any convenient radius and choose it by clicking on this. And we are going to apply color to it by clicking on this. By enable it, and we want red color, so let's maintain the red color. You choose it. You then make a duplicate of it by clicking on the copy. Then you apply white color to the duplicate by clicking on this one, color. And then you look through this part and find and locate or get white color. You then increase it to a size which is convenient to you. Now you position the circles. You position the circles in the middle. By clicking on the relative position, as we did yesterday. Relative position. You click on it and use here to center it up and down. Then you click on the white, the same relative position that we have positioned it. The size depends on you. Now we are going to erase color. We're going to erase color. So after you have done this one, you click on check. Then we merge the two circles by clicking on this. And you click here. You click this part and then you pick these two by clicking on it. Now you come down to click on this one to merge them. Okay. Now you go back and click this part to exit this current page. Now we are going to erase color as we did yesterday. This is the erase color. you enable it to erase the color. Then you click on check to pick. Do not focus to add stroke to it. Enable it and increase the stroke width to 4, depending on you. You click on check. Now you are going to add text to it by clicking outside the shape to activate it. Now you click on text. This is the text, and you click on add text. Then you click on edit text. Then you clean it by using the backspace, and then write your text. After you are finished, you click OK. Then you take a 9 font for it. So you click on font. Okay, this is font. You click on it. Then you look through, choose any font style that you think it will be okay. Now I have some font in my font. So let's pick one. For the purpose of we are picking the S Bambi as a font for it. Then you click OK. As usual, you hold it and then you stretch it. Then you are going to locate a bend. You are going to click on curve. Then you bend your text by moving this to and fro, or front and back. So let's reduce the text size and see. You click on the text size. Or let's increase the size of the circle so that we may not find one. Okay, let's increase like that. Now, the purpose of this training is to know the use of the tools. As I said yesterday, if you're able to know the various functions of the tools, you can draw any logo or any design that you may be given. You can add another text to it. At this time, you can, if there's a motto for your business, you can add it. So let's choose any motto. Okay, we serve you right, or we serve you better. You click OK. Oh, sorry. We've changed. Now let's go back. We are going back by clicking on this icon. Okay. Now we have arrived at where we want to be. So we add text by clicking outside. you add text, edit text, and then you write. Will serve you better. You bring it down. You also choose a 9 font for it. Choose a 9 font by clicking on the AB. So let's choose the chunk 5. Okay. Then you apply curve. Now all these two, we've not added stroke to the colors. So you can add stroke to it. You can add stroke to it. Now we are about to end. Now we are going to add another text to it. But this time we are going to apply abbreviations. It's not compulsory. I mean the initial, it's not compulsory, but you can apply it to make it more attractive. As Asanko Building Construction. So ABC. A B C. Apply OK. You look for size. Increase the size. Break it in the middle. Then you can apply font to it, or you leave it just like that. It depends on you. You put it in position. Okay. You can also apply color to it. You can apply color to it, whichever way. All depends on you. Apply color to it. Now you are finished with your logo. Then you merge the letters and then the circle by clicking on this one. You first go here, you click it, and then come and click this part by clicking on all the letters. Then you come here again to exit. Now the reason why I am repeating things is that we have some new members who have joined us. So I want to make it simple for them also to grasp what we are doing. And for the old members, it is reinforcement for you. Now you've gotten the logo. Now you are going to turn this 2-dimension to 3-dimension. So we are going to locate we are going to locate 3D by clicking on this. We look through and we have 3D rotation and then 3D shape. So we click on a 3D shape, you enable it, and we have a view type. So how are you going to view the logo? Now we have perspective and then the oblique. Perspective and oblique. Now it is choosing perspective. Now let's increase the depth size and see what will happen. Look at the middle. You can choose color. You choose depth color for it. So let's make it. You choose any color. let's locate black. So you choose any color for a color that you think will appear nice to you. Let's choose white. And then we increase or decrease the darkness. Okay, to 8. Let's reduce the depth height, the depth to 9. Okay, so this is perspective. This perspective. Now let's click on the oblique. Let's click on the oblique, and let's reduce the depthness. Now let's consider one thing here. You have the oblique angle. You click on this to rotate and look at what is happening to the effect. So it depends on you. So I think this is okay. Then you click it. Now let me show you another technique. Have emboss. You click on emboss. You can do a lot of things to it. Then you click on this light angle. You rotate it, and you see where the light will shine. Have you seen the effect? When you're okay with it, then you also increase the intensity and so on. Now let's also apply this too and see the effect. Okay. Then when you are satisfied, then you check. When you are satisfied with this, then you give it a background. You give it a background by clicking on this and choose a color. You can also choose image. You can also choose image, or you can choose from the gallery. So this thing can help you to choose a background for it. So you are choosing color. Any color can do. Now it has become three-dimensional. Now you see the inside here. There is a thickness over here. It has thickness, white thickness. So this now has become three-dimensional logo. You pick it, and then you save. You save by clicking on the save button. You first save as project. You give it a name as usual. And then you click and save as image by clicking on default and choose the ultra and save to gallery. You can share. Now, this is our three-dimensional logo. You go to your gallery and you locate it there. So this is the end of our tonight's lesson. So as usual, you pick any company and create a logo for the company, or you can also create a logo for yourself and then put it in our assignment page. Thank you.